Get some more clarity on the circumstances under which Allu Arjun was arrested. There are some reports in the local media over how he has taken strong exception to the way that the police were outside his bedroom, apparently. We cannot corroborate that independently, but we are seeing some of those reports emerging, like Apurva said, in local media. We've got some more breaking news coming in, and I'll go back to Apurva in just a moment. Support is growing for Allu Arjun. He's being seen as a soft target, as the easy target in what is ultimately a systemic failure. Actors Nani, Rahul Ramakrishna have called the arrest unfair. Pawan Kalyan, who is Allu Arjun's uncle, has rushed to his nephew's house in Hyderabad. Actor and uncle Chiranjeevi are already at Allu Arjun's home in Hyderabad. So support obviously is growing, but we're going to have to see how this actually plays out. Akshita is with me. She's been tracking this closely. Akshita, this is kind of mind-boggling in some ways because 14 days judicial custody seems like a bit of a stretch given everything that we're looking at so far. The warnings about a possible heavy crowd situation 2 days before the actual tragedy. The police now saying that they had asked Allu Arjun not to turn up. There appears to have been some kind of a scrap outside Allu Arjun's bedroom. I mean, this is a really, a very, very powerful family in Telangana. What sense are you making of this? What's going on? Is this really about like sending out some kind of a message?
There are lots of conspiracy theories doing the rounds, Shiv, right now. But this is essentially the first family of Tollywood that's now getting together to back Allu Arjun. You've got Chiranjeevi, the mega star. His nephew is Allu Arjun. He and Allu Arjun and Ramcharan are cousins. Pawan Kalyan, we're being told, has also expressed his support to Allu Arjun's family. Allu Arvind is known to be a very, very influential figure in Tollywood, who is Allu Arjun's father, who we also saw early this morning in those images when Allu Arjun was kind of consoling him, saying, I'll come back soon. This is your biggest stars, the superstars of Tollywood, all now embroiled in this massive controversy, courtesy Allu Arjun's arrest. There's a lot of back and forth, but let's just simplify it down for our viewers, that there are two cases
right now. Hold on for 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm coming back to you in 10 seconds. Just want to tell our viewers, these are the latest pictures coming in from the Nampally court. You can see Allu Arjun in those pictures. He's been sent to 14 days judicial custody. Those are pictures of the huge crowd coming in from the Nampally court. Lawyer speaking. Let's listen in for a moment.
कुछ नहीं बोला, रिमांड खाली रिमांड दिया, रिमांड कितना दिन है सर?
14 days is what the lawyer says as he tries to escape the cameras, but Allu Arjun clearly visible. He's the one in the white hoodie, right there in the middle of that crowd. It's a bit of a bizarre situation because you can see people trying to take selfies with him even as he's been remanded to judicial custody. Akshita, go ahead.
Image is just an indication, Shiv, of how massive Allu Arjun is. He's a phenomenon in Telugu film industry, in Tollywood, and that's been indicative in the crowds that you've seen, whether it's at the Nampally court right now or even at the hospital, the Gandhi hospital, where they had to virtually put up barricades to let him just go through. But the kind of messaging that Allu Arjun is sending across, early this morning when he was taken in, he was having his last cup of coffee, and at that point very sternly told the police officials that, look, I understand you're doing your duty, but the way you're going about it is extremely wrong. And the reason he said that is because he says they were literally outside his bedroom, that he wasn't allowed to have breakfast. He says, I wanted to change my clothes. You initially didn't allow and then later allowed me to. And look at what he changed into, a t-shirt that says flower nahi, fire hai. And all through the images that you see, Shiv, of Allu Arjun, he's got this calm, composed look. He's interacting with anyone who comes up to him, shakes hands, as you see there, indulging some of them with selfies.
Yeah.
So he's trying to send across a message that this hasn't fazed me in any way. But, Shiv, it's a Friday. So if he doesn't get relief from the Telangana High Court, where the hearing is happening right now, he's staring at spending the weekend in jail because of that 14-day judicial custody. There are two cases here. The Nampally court, where he is, he's been produced by the police because he's been taken into custody. As we all know, due process is that he's produced in court and the cops seek custody. They've got 14 days as they wanted. They'll be thrilled with that because that was the maximum that they sought. They've been given it. As far as that letter of Sandhya Theatre asking for permission, saying Allu Arjun is coming, that's actually been brought up in the Telangana High Court, and the Telangana High Court has said that Allu Arjun's petition is very much something we are considering to quash the FIR. But look at those images right now, Shiv. The cops are unable to really control the crowds there.